Getting cozy under here, isn't it? Settle down. Settle down. This is literally driving me insane. Hello again, welcome back to the Unloved JDM channel and the Unloved Garage, of course. This is going to be one that's a little bit different. So, you saw this car if you've seen the last video. This one's going to be an installation video. So, these little things are exhaust valve. Now, I believe this is actually for a BMW of some sort. We're not using it for that, we're using it for this. So, the customer's request is so that we can make it a little bit quieter on command, because there's two different drivers to it. One driver likes the sound of it, one driver doesn't. So, we'll get a sound clip of it to show you what it sounds like as it is. And we'll show you how we're going to fit this, and we'll show you what it sounds like with this installed and how much quieter it actually is. But let's have a look at the car, let's have a look at what it sounds like right now, and let's see how we're going to make this work. Okay, so this one's actually kind of easy. The test I've done on it is if you silence one of the two tailpipes, because it both comes through the same system and joins together and comes through this rear box. If you silence one of them, it makes the noise a lot different to what it is with both open that you just heard. Now, we're thinking of using this piece of the pipe here so that it can be reversed if anybody ever wants to in the future. As I said, this is not our car, and it might be that one day they might decide to take it back out. So, this piece here will fit there. There's enough space above it to do what we need to do. So step one, take the piece of pipe off and see how much we've got to give in there to decide whether we put it there or there. Let's do it.
Yeah, if I take, so the valve's 1.5 inches,
Yep.
which is up to that line there.
Yep.
That leaves you with, because I'm also going to have to take something like that as well.
Yeah, out of the middle potentially.
Yeah, that'll leave an inch. So I'd have to 1.5 inches out of that, 1.5 inches out of that, weld the valve onto that one, then weld the inch that I've cut off this back onto that to sleeve that section there.
Yeah.
So essentially, that's a good bit of pipe.
Yes, that's where it'll clamp.
That's where it'll clamp.
That's plenty to keep hold of it there. Yeah, do that one.
Right.
It's still an easy bit of pipe to make, innit? Something you want to take it back out.
Yeah, I've just got to get the. I suppose the good thing is that if we're using this section, we're not actually welding that solid to the box so you can still adjust it up and down and get the angle right.
Yeah.
Right, I need
Box
box off and I'll set my welder up and
cool. I'll drop the box. You get rigged up. Do what you need to do.
I'll get rigged up.
Get
Try,
grinding
when
this
you
one.
get box off, try not moving my marker if you can.
I wouldn't do it over. Yeah, I can't do it. Means you've got to use manual tools. Indignity.
What's that?
The only issue with manual tools, slow.
More work.
Innit, James?
What?
Manual tools, so just so like unnecessarily slow.
Yeah, but the precise and you can feel them more.
Yeah.
Rather than overdubbing and snapping shit.
Yeah.
That's Mike style. Just
I prefer manual.
I prefer it. This is done. Who's Manuel anyway? That sounded a bit personal.
He's my little butler.
Okay.
Your puppy.
why can I see you with a little butler? Like deadly serious there, Ken.
Have you not See seen, me. have you not seen the Mercury, right?
Have you not seen the Merc drive? No, I've seen the Merc you've driven. That doesn't count.
I could see him with a monkey butler.
That's Tony. What? Talking the bike nuts here. Yeah. Yeah, that's Tony. It's a rigid setup, that.
Need any spray?
No, it's the exhaust is really rigid. Not a bad thing. It'll rattle off, but I expect it a bit tricky to remove. There's a lot of tension on that. Hell of a lot. Don't want to have it near this. It atomizes electrode. Cracking. Smashing. Exhaust. Don't forget to register for your lifetime warranty online within 28 days of delivery.
Thank you.
No worries.
Cobra
Cobrasport.com. Register. Done. What the hell is Cobra Sport?
Never heard of Cobra Sport?
Oh, I've heard it, but I don't know the Oh, you sound concerned, didn't you, sir?
Wonder what it'd sound like without the box.
Noisy and horrible. Like horrible.
Raspy.
Yeah, but not in a good way.
No. Even for a V6 it won't be very nice.
Yeah, no, this one sounds really good when it's all, well, looking out, it's sounding mint. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I need to keep the sound there. Ooh, I'll show you this. Stay there, stay right there. So, this is the wiring loom that we're going to use for it. So that plugs into the BMW style connector, in that, like
Yeah.
lives there. And we run this through the cab, and we tried this yesterday when it turned up. Run that through the car, power and ground, which obviously will fuse, and then he's going to have a little toggle switch, loud, quiet, or vice versa, whichever way around it works. So that is all you'll see for inside the car. Easy as that.
very precise with a ruler there, James.
You ought to be, man.
Got well done. So is this to cut the piece out that the valve's going to go in place?
Yeah, so I'll cut the
Equivalent length out.
yeah, cut that out. It'll be welded there, and then the inch that I've cut off will be welded onto that side. I think that's inch and a half. Yeah, inch and a half. And if my mark's right, that line there, that's inch and a half. So I just need to go around this now, cut that out. It's shit because I've got it, like there, that's where it's blown an hole through, so I've had to go over that rather than it being sort of uniform going across.
Got to overlap it.
I've got to overlap it. That's mint, that. I'm happy with it. Slightest little hole there. That little pinhole there. I just need to put a bit of weld over that. Come here, you.
Heat from it won't transfer into that motor, will it?
It will, but it won't be out drastic because it's on exhaust anyway and that gets hot. Eyeballs.
So where it is, it's out apparently. Like it's under 350. I got it.
Sweet. That's the valve. Yeah. It's a bit shitty in places where I've had to filter all in.
Is there enough space for the rotation that you put it in?
What, this?
Yeah. Don't fit. 18 songs.
Looking good with the other piece.
Yeah, man, she's on there.
Happy with it?
Yeah, say so. Obviously I'll need to put 4 little slips in, you know, just to open it up, help it go on. I'm happy with that. You know, this is an 1.5 inches, so you've gained on the bit that overlaps,
Yep.
1/2 inch.
Right, okay.
So if I still cut the 1.5 inches off there,
Yep.
which accounts for this,
Yep.
it'll slot anything.
Okay. Just make sure the valve, when it flings open, don't clout that.
Well, it can't do because the valve don't go beyond that.
When it's open, it does.
So tailpipe's been modified to accept the valve, and the box has been modified to accept the pipe with the valve.
Big primer.
Yeah, I just need to cut a bit of that out because where it sits, it just catch the motor. So I just need to cut that little bit of metal out there, slide it across, and I'll re-weld it in here so it's still got its structure. You know when he says, have you measured it?
I've heard you modify it, don't you worry.
I ain't modify shit. That's on the fucking mark, is that? All I'll do now is I'll just weld that little bit on, you know, on hanger.
Yeah, just to keep supplying it.
Yeah. Fucking mint that. Whee!
time, is it? Like go out. Underside, I think.
You what?
The side's on underside. Thread. No. Oh,
Yeah, no. Oh shit! Hit my finger on fucking finger, I've just welded.
it's still hot.
Right, I won't tighten it all the way so we can.
Adjust it.
Yeah, but that's fucking.
You'll have to cut
Oh, just look
this
at
off as well,
it.
though.
Yeah,
won't you?
I was just looking at that. Yeah,
For connector.
I was looking at that then. I'll pick up a plug it in. Take it first, no that bollocks. See if I've got enough clearance.
Yeah, loads of room.
Yeah, sweet man.
Yeah, there's loads of room on that.
Happy days. Right.
Nice. And
Should be alright. Yeah, if I'm right, that should be
smack on.
central.
Let's have a look. Looks it. Get on with that, don't we?
Oh man, that's meant that. Obviously, it's down a little bit here, but that's why I haven't tightened the clamp yet, because you can still adjust it.
Yeah. It's got that little bit of wiggle room in it.
Yeah. I'll spin that like that.
Happy with that?
Obviously, once that's bolted on, that'll bring it all in as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll
Just
wait,
tighten it all up.
wait for Mike to have a look at it.
You have to turn the clamp round though. You put the clamp on downside up, haven't you?
Yeah, Ed pointed that out. I like it, won't matter.
Yeah, I've seen it now.
Oh,
Yeah, not bad.
not bad.
Not bad.
We fucking heard this. Not bad. It's not bad.
Not bad. Seamless.
Fucking not bad. Sneaky bastard. It's alright because he's wiring cunt up.
Your last one, wasn't it?
Fuck off, we're doing that. I changed clutch.
Ran before.
Barely.
The old one back.
Fucking barely.
So when you got that, man.
Go on.
You just put the box towards you a minute. We'll get the gasket in and slip it back there.
Not push, but
Slightly. Go on, send her up. I think it might look similar. And cozy on the rear, isn't it? Settle down. Settle down.
see him coming toward me then.
Me coming towards you?
Telling
Come on,
telling
everyone.
little Mike to settle down.
There's no little man, isn't there?
Sorry, Mr. Space off the balls.
Little Mike and his big round friends. That's it, phone's ringing in.
It's like a nest of berries with some twigs.
And then pipe up. What do you pipe go up at all? Just tapping in.
Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
Just tapping in. Don't like that manual though, it's fucking slow. Hold on, James. You've got a misalignment here, let's say. You've got all mounts back in.
All mounts are in, yeah. That one is tightening up, but it's in. Grab me some.
Okay. Sweet, as long as that don't blow, all good. Will you tighten that 12 up there? No.
No. No, I just put it on to get the back box on. You happy with being that?
Yeah, just nip it up.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do a cheeky little test.
Cheeky little test.
We nipped it all back up so it's in place. And this is our little switch, so put some power to it, start the car up, see what it does. We don't know if this one's any good.
Someone flickered the switch.
No. Fucking idiot. What? Did you see what you were going to do?
I already did it. I'm fine, look. Keep this down, come on.
Fucking Doyle.
Battery's dead
Battery's
anyway.
dead.
See, you're worried about my health and safety for nothing. Don't worry about it. Fine.
It's not enough in.
You plugged it in right.
Power up here. Well, that time.
You didn't plug it in right, did you?
Yeah, we can't do that one.
It's got a little clip.
You are? Yeah.
It's got a little tab that you push in and plug.
Yeah, it's not that. It's just when you're perfect on, perfect off. Cool. Turn her off, man, please. That works. It's in.
Happy days.
Yeah, it definitely makes it a difference.
Not that much different, is it?
When you steer it is.
I can say when you're right on arse end, you can.
I tend to find with this though, when you hold the revs, you can hit engine. Do you know what I mean? It's only when it's sort of revving on and off, or increasing or decreasing, that it changes its noise and gets loud. So once you shut it up, it's only half the hole.
Are you dissing your welds, James?
No, I said it's not bad for him.
Fuck all wrong with them welds.
Yeah.
There's no blowing, there's no moisture. Fucking
It's not about the welds.
mint.
Don't be getting back to that, Pappy. So, have you got the joy of routing the cable?
Yep, he's got to find a hole for it.
I'll find it all, they can route fucking cable.
You're good at making holes though, James.
You what?
You're good at making holes.
Find an orifice. There you go.
Oh, damn it.
Looking at this here, Mike,
Oh, yeah, when you look at that.
where the camera goes, it looks like you might be able to feed it up there.
Yeah, I'm with you. There's something going into boot there, isn't there?
Yeah. I've got a grommet on the finger now, which I reckon we can go through. It was one here, that's central.
Is there one there or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, don't get anything you can. So, a little rev width valve shut, please. Valve open.